I'm here today to talk some Acerbis plastic. Not only do they make fenders, number plates, radiator shrouds, and even frame guards for your bike, they also make a wide variety of front disc guards. Let me tell you more. While it still has plenty of ventilation to help with the heat, it's also different in the fact that instead of bolting it up with two Allen bolts that Hondas come with, this particular style is held on by the axle nut. Another thing about these guards is that they'll fit on an oversized 280mm rotor, where the stock guard fits the OEM 260. Even though I try my best to stay out of the ruts these days, it's easy to forget that every time you do go through them, your rotor is going through dirt and rocks and who knows what else. These Acerbis disc guards help keep your rotor from folding up. This guard will also help protect your brake caliper from debris and damage. We've got a wide variety of Acerbis disc guards, frame guards, chain blocks, plastic, everything else you can need for your ride. Check it out today at MotoSport.com.